Many consumers do not realize how their credit score can impact them when they apply for a loan. So how can you be informed? How can it be improved? Gerry Tetzlaff of Members First Federal Credit Union is here with advice for some financial freedom today. Let's explain the basics. What is a credit score? Why is it important?
Well, a credit score is an algorithm that the credit reporting agencies create to predict risk. Okay. They look at a person's current credit and credit history, the repayment of, their usage of, and come up with a score that predicts the likelihood of repayment on a loan that you'd be looking at.
Okay, but here's what I've never been able to understand, and I understand you're going to explain it to me today. There's different credit reporting agencies, and your score is different. I mean, not usually significantly different, but different enough that you're like, why? So why is that?
There you go. Well, if a credit reporting agency is trying to sell a risk model to a lender, they want to create something that's going to be as accurate as possible. For different types of lenders, there's different types of customer base. Okay. For a credit union, the bread and butter of a credit union for decades has always been vehicle loans. So a FICO score will have leaning more toward how did we do on our car payments. Okay. How did we do on Visa payments? How did we do on mortgages? Those little nuances of the score model will account for those differences. But in the end, they're all a pretty good predictor of risk.
You know, there's different things that can maybe put a little ding on your credit score or a significant drop. Is it true that it stays on your record for 7 years? Like something like that, an incident will impact your credit score for 7 years?
Yeah, different incidents have different lengths of time, the 7 years, the 10 years. The thing to remember is if you have a ding, say it's a medical collection, and it's $100. Going back and paying that $100 or figuring out how to make that $100 into zero, that sometimes gets that 7-year clock started.
Oh, good. Good. How else can we improve that credit score?
Well, starting with good habits right away as soon as possible is any bills that you do have, pay those on time. The longer you do that, the longer positive history you have. Going back and looking at getting a copy of your credit report and solving problems of the past is also a good thing. Like I said, that 7-year tick-tock will happen on the day things get cleared up.
Good. So take action. Just take action. Work on it. And you often hear commercials for how to get your credit report, your free credit report. How do you actually get it for free?
Well, there's the credit report and the credit score. Okay. So your FICO score, Members First actually makes that available through our mobile app and on our website as well for our members. Every month it's going to change, and folks can see their score, based on any repair activities they do, they can see a change over time.
Very good. I'm sorry, we are totally out of time, but here's the thing. Call Members First. They can help you. Thank you so much.
Absolutely.
We'll be right back.